To change scenes in Unity, we will first add a new scene and name it Level 1. I'll add a button that will change the scene when pressed in this example. In the inspector window on the right side, scroll down to Add Component. Scroll down again to New Script and give it a name. I will name it ChangeLevel. Double-click to open it in the editor. We will remove these two functions and import the scene package up the top by using UnityEngine.SceneManagement. We will then add a public function called Level 1 and open the brackets. We type SceneManager.LoadScene Level 1 in brackets and quotation marks. You have to spell this the same way as the name of your scene. Save the code and return to Unity. Right above the script in the inspector, press the plus button. Drag your new script here. Click the button on the right and locate your script. Find the function that we wrote and select it. We must then open Build Settings by opening File in the top left and choosing Build Settings. From here, you drag and drop all your scenes into this new window and you're done. If we play the project, we can see that the button switches us to the next scene. If you want to restart the current scene, in our code replace Level 1 with SceneManager.GetActiveScene open brackets .buildIndex. Save and return to Unity, and as you can see, the scene gets restarted. This code is available in the description below.